The objective of this course is for you to learn investment portfolio analysis main concept from a basic to an expert level while you practice with main asset classes benchmark indexes and replicating funds data using our statistical software as your analysis tool. Hi, I'm Diego and I will lead you through the course. I have developed high-quality online courses and ebooks at expenses. I also have important online business development experience at fast-growing startups and blue-chip companies in several European countries. I achieved outstanding performance while attending world-class academic institutions and have a lifelong passion for expert financial data analysis. At the end of this course, you will be able to compare main asset classes benchmark indexes replicating funds returns and risk trade-offs, estimate portfolio expected returns, historical and market participants' implied volatility, approximate portfolio expected excess returns using capital asset pricing model, FAMA French Carhart factor model, and arbitrage pricing theory model. Calculate portfolio performance metrics such as Sharpe, Traynor, Sortino, and Kelly ratios. Optimize global portfolios' asset allocation weights based on Markowitz portfolio theory. Approximate global portfolio returns from periodically rebalanced optimized asset allocations and compare them with equal-weighted and well-known investment managers' benchmark portfolios. Evaluate global portfolios' performance by estimating their expected excess return after global risk factors exposure expected returns contribution. This course is ideal as you are undergraduate or postgraduate who wants to learn about investment portfolio analysis using our statistical software, a finance professional or academic researcher who wishes to deepen your knowledge in quantitative finance, an experienced investor who desires to research optimized asset allocation strategies. It's very important to remember that this course is not about get-rich-quick trading systems or magic formulas.